Welcome back to Mech Tech Bro. If you have watched JavaScript for Beginners Part 1 to Part 7.3, you are in the right place. In the Part 7.4, we continue our step-by-step JavaScript journey with the clear explanations and real examples to boost your coding skills. Like, share and subscribe to Mech Tech Bro and keep learning JavaScript the smart way. In today's session, I'm going to explain about Slice, Splice and Concat. Don't worry, I will explain you clearly in Visual Studio Code step by step. Let me use the single line comment here, slice method. Slice method. Slice method is used to extract a portion of an array and returns it as a new array, and it does not change the original array. Okay. Now let me show you the syntax. Let me use the single line comment here. Syntax array dot slice start index end index. Okay, this is the syntax of a slice method. Let me explain you what is this syntax about. As you can see here, array.slice start index and end index. Start index is nothing but index to start extracting, okay, and end index to stop, okay. And if the end index is not given, extraction continues till the end, okay. Keep that in mind. Now let me use the single line comment here. Example slice. Okay, example slice. Now let me use multi-line comment for syntax. Let fruits equal to apple, banana, you guys can take any fruits, it doesn't matter. I am taking these fruits, which are apple, banana, mango, orange. First let me write the code, then I will explain you clearly what is that code about. Okay, let result equal to fruits dot slice 1, 3. Console.log result. Console.log fruits. Now let me explain you what is this code about. As you guys can see here, let fruits equal to apple, banana, mango and orange. In 0 index apple is there, in first index banana, in second index mango, in third index orange. Okay, here let result equal to fruits dot slice 1, 3 means the index 1 I have provided banana and index 3 is excluded. Okay, the extracted elements are banana and mango. Okay, the original array remains unchanged. Now let me run this code for you guys. Go to index.html, right click, open with the live server. Right click, go to inspect and go to console. As you guys can see here, banana and mango. Okay. Now let's move to next method, which is splice method. Let me use the single line comment here. First let me provide a multi-line comment for the example one of slice method. Now let me use the single line comment here. Splice method. Splice method. Okay. Splice method is nothing but splice is used to add, remove or replace elements in an array. Means it modifies the original array. Okay. Keep that in mind. Now let me use the single line comment here. Syntax array dot splice start index comma delete count comma item 1 comma item 2 and so on. This is the syntax of a splice method. Now let me explain you what is this syntax about. As you guys can see here, start index is nothing but position to start, and delete count is nothing but number of elements to remove. Okay, and item 1, item 2, so on, these are the elements to add, optional. Okay, keep that in mind. Let me use the multi-line comment for this. Let's move to the example of splice method, which are example of removing elements. Okay, let me use the single line comment here. Example removing elements. Okay, now first let me write the code, then I will explain you clearly what is that code about. Let numbers equal to 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. Okay, and numbers dot splice 1 comma 2 console.log numbers. Let me explain you what is this code about. As you guys can see here, this is the example of removing elements. I created numbers array, which is the elements are 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50, and the numbers dot splice 1 comma 2 means it starts at index 1 and remove two elements 20 and 30. Okay, and original array is changed. Now let me run this code. Now you guys can check here. 10, 40 and 50, 20 and 30 is removed. Okay, now there is one more example of splice method. Let me explain that also. Let me provide multi-line comment for this. Asterisk and slash. Let me use a single line comment. Example adding elements. First let me write the code, then I will explain you clearly what is that code about. Okay, let colors equal to red, blue. You guys can take any random color, it doesn't matter, but I am taking these colors, which red, blue and green. Colors.splice, colors.splice 1,0, yellow. Okay, console.log colors. Now let me explain you what is this code about. As you guys can see here, I have created colors array and I have provided the elements which are red, blue, green. Okay, and colors.splice 1,0, yellow means it starts at index 1 and removes 0 elements and adds yellow at the index 1. Okay, now you guys can check here. Let me run this code. No check here. In 0 index red is there, in first index yellow, second index blue and third index green. The length of the array is 4. Okay, I hope you guys understand splice method of removing elements and adding elements. Let me use the multi-line comment for this. Let's move to the next method, which is concat method. Let me use the single line comment here. Concat method. Concat method is nothing but concat is used to merge 2 or more arrays into a new array. It does not change the original array. Okay, keep that in mind. Let me show you the syntax of concat method. New array equal to array1 dot concat array2 comma array3 and so on. Okay, this is the syntax of a concat method. Let's move to the example. Let me use the single line comment. Example concat. Let me use the single line comment. Example concat. See here, let array1 let arr1 let arr1 equal to 1, 2, 3. Let arr2 equal to 4, 5. Let result equal to arr1 dot concat arr2. console.log result, console.log result. console.log arr1. Now let me explain you what is this code about. As you guys can see here, it combines arr1 and arr2 and returns a new array, and original arrays remains unchanged. Okay, now let me run this code for you guys. Now you guys can check here, console.log, the result is 1 in 0 index 1, in first index 2, second index 3, third index 4 and fourth index 5. So total elements are length is 5, as you can see here. And console.log arr1 is 3 elements which are 1, 2 and 3, as you can see here, 1, 2 and 3. One more important thing, let me explain you. In slice method, it does not change the original array, and the purpose of that is it extract the elements. And in splice method, as you guys can see here, in splice method it changes the original array and it adds or removes and replaces the elements. Okay, and the next one is concat method. Concat method, it does not change the original array, and purpose of that is it merges the arrays. Okay, keep that in mind. I hope you guys understand these methods. If you enjoyed the content in today's video, please like, share and subscribe. It motivates me to create more videos. Thank you.